Okay? Now this video is daily routine 2. You are going to learn object words and the verbs and making the sentences like have a breakfast or play with my friends or study Japanese, those kind of stuff. Okay? Now, okay, these are the new words. Okay, repeat after me. Breakfast, 朝ごはん、朝ごはん。Lunch, 昼ごはん、昼ごはん。Dinner, 晩ごはん、晩ごはん。Now, as you may notice that the ごはん means meals. Okay, 朝 is morning meal, so breakfast. Lunch, 昼 means the noon or afternoon, and the meal, 昼ごはん, it's a lunch. Dinner, okay, 晩 means evening, and ごはん means the meals, so evening meal, dinner, 晩ごはん. Okay. Match or games, 試合. Swimming, that's a noun, 水泳. Skateboard is スケートボード。スケートボード。Tennis, テニス。テニス。TV, テレビ。テレビ。Movie, 映画。映画。Friends, 友達。友達。Together, と一緒に。Somebody と一緒に。Joke, 冗談。冗談。Dog, 犬。犬。Cat, 猫。猫。Usually, 大抵。大抵。Right. The verbs. Play or have fun. Okay. 遊びます。遊びます。Get up. 起きます。起きます。Go to bed or sleep. 寝ます。寝ます。Listen. 聞きます。聞きます。Play or do sports or computers. Okay. します。します。Eat. 食べます。食べます。Watch, look. 見ます。見ます。Study. 勉強します。勉強します。Begin. 始まります。始まります。Now these verbs are end with mas, so we call mas form. Mas form is a very polite form, so you can use any occasions. So now making sentences. First of all, you have learned the time video 1, daily routine 1. So you're gonna add the time in the sentence. So, for example, 私は7時に起きます。Which means I get up at 7 o'clock. The particle に means at the time. Time に is at time. Okay? 僕は10時に寝ます。means I go to bed at 10 o'clock. 僕は10時に寝ます。I get up at 6:45 a.m. Can you say that in Japanese? And this is 私は午前6時45分に起きます。私は午前6時45分に起きます。How about this one? I go to bed at 11:20 p.m. 僕は午後11時20分に寝ます。僕は午後11時20分に寝ます。Now, let's make a conversation. What time do you get up? 何時に起きますか？何時に起きますか？ I get up at 7:30. 私は7時半に起きます。私は7時半に起きます。How about 何時に寝ますか？ What does this mean? 何時に寝ますか？ What time do you go to bed? 僕は大抵10時に寝ます。僕は大抵10時に寝ます。I usually go to bed at 10. So this word put in front of the time. Okay, 僕は大抵10時に寝ます。Okay? Right. Now next one. オブジェクトを verb ます。私は朝ごはんを食べます。I eat breakfast. を particle を shows the object of the sentence. Okay. 僕はテレビを見ます。僕はテレビを見ます。I watch TV. I watch TV. How about this means? 水泳をします。私は水泳をします。I do swimming. It may not be the good English, but yeah, this is the translation for it. Okay, and 水泳 is the noun in this sentence, noun, so that we have to have a verb with it. Okay, to swim is we have another word for it. Okay, right, and let's practice copy and translate into English. First one, 私は数学を勉強します。Second sentence, 僕は本を読みます。Now pause the video here and write it down into your book. Okay, now the answers are, oh, one more. Okay, テレビを見ます。What does this mean? Okay, so the answer is, I study math and I read a book and then I watch TV. Okay? Right. じゃあ、one more. Let's practice and copy and translate into in Japanese this time. I eat dinner, I play tennis, listen to the music. Okay? Please pause the video here and then write it down. Okay. The answers are, 私は晩ご飯を食べます。 僕はテニスをします。私は音楽を聴きます。Okay, now I will stop here and then move on to I will make next video and continuing from here. Okay.